on Decentering Men.
More discussions about women decentering men from their life. And some women are like, well, what does this look like? What does this mean? I'm going to show you. So when you center men, this is your life. Here they go. Right in the middle. Everything you do usually has to do with them. Okay, you think about them a lot. Your choices of hobbies and recreation. Some women are like, oh, if men ain't gonna be there, I ain't going. You know, your actions, your friends, sometimes your friend choices are because of men. Your conversations, all you talk about. That's all you talk about is men. Opinions, how you talk, how you dress, everything is dealing with the man. A lot, like I said, a lot of your actions, a lot of your thought, a lot of your choices are with men at the center. And men are in mind when you make your decisions about things. So this is what it looks like when you decenter men from your life, okay? So here's your life. Who's in the center of it? You. You are the center. Everything is about you. Your thoughts, things you do, your hobbies, your recreation, your friends, you know, things you guys talk about. You talk about yourselves, what you guys got going on in your lives, opinions, all this, how you walk, how you talk, how you dress, everything is based off of yourself, okay? Now men can still be here. They can still be here, but they just out here. You know, they're just a part of everything else going on. Some women, they even, you know, they're like, tired, that's enough, you know, and they put them all the way out here. They're not even in the equation. It's whatever, you know, you can have them in here, you can have them out there. It really doesn't matter. All that's important is you are at the center of your life.